Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a missing scroll bar on Microsoft Excel and how to activate scroll bar option on your Excel. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to have your Excel app opened up, then just choose your document as you can see. After that, just go ahead, click on File, then just go ahead, click on Options, and go click on Advanced at the left. Now on the right, just keep scrolling. Scroll down until you find Show Horizontal Scroll Bar and Show Vertical Scroll Bar. All you have to do is to go ahead and make sure they are checked, as you can see now. If they are unchecked like this, just go ahead and check them and go ahead, click on OK. So this was a quick and easy tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.